So today we'll be replacing the cabin filters in our Tesla Model 3. So stay tuned until the end of this video. So the first thing we need to do while replacing the cabin filters in a Tesla Model 3 or Y is that we need to bring the seats back and remove the floor mats. Once that's done, hold the temperature number to completely turn off the climate. Taking a look at the package, it comes with two pieces of air filters, a 2-in-1 pry tool and one S-shaped Allen key. Next, we need to go near the footwell area and find 4 screws to remove, 3 of which are pull-out screws and 1 is a normal screw. In your case, there might be all pull-out screws, but in our case, we had 1 normal screw. Use the provided pry tool to remove all the pull-out screws and use the provided Allen key to remove the normal screw. Then we remove this panel by pulling it downwards. Remove any cable attached to this panel. Set it aside and move on to the next part, which is removing the side panel with the help of a pry tool and a little effort. Once that is done, we should find out where the cabin filter is located. At first, I thought it was the one with the QR code and Tesla logo, but I was wrong. It's actually located further inside. Now, to access the cabin filter location, I had to make more room for myself, for which I had to remove this panel as well. Yes, this is the same panel from where we removed all the screws at the very beginning. I had to remove more of the carpet to access the door of the cabin filter location, and doing so I missed filming the removal of the door. So yeah, here it is. This is where the cabin filters are located, and now we need to remove them. There's a strap on each of the filters which you can use to pull them out, as you can see in the video. Pull out the upper strap first, which will remove the upper filter, followed by the lower one. You can see how dirty these filters have been in all these years, so it's very important to regularly replace them. Now we will be installing the new cabin filters. Make sure that you are inserting the filters in such a way that the strap is on the upper side, not the lower. These ones are charcoal activated and are in a hard shell compared to the old ones. Because they come in a hard shell, it can be difficult to insert them through the same door, but a little bit of effort and you can easily slide them in. After installing the new cabin filters, now it was time to close the door. I was not sure how I got this door out at the first place, so there were a lot of trial and errors. Then I went on to check if the door was secured properly. It was not that bad, so I thought to leave it as is. Then it was all about putting things back the way they were before and finally turning on the climate. This time the smell was finally gone. Thanks for staying until the end of this video. We hope you liked it and was helpful for you to replace your cabin filters by yourself. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you did, and also put some comments below. I'll put the links to the cabin filter in the video description, and we will see you in the next one.